Review quiz questions, their answers, and instructor feedback from the submission view of a quiz. This tutorial shows how to read the feedback provided in a quiz's submission view. The submission view may be immediately available after submitting a quiz, or from class progress at a later time. Submission views help you review the results of a quiz and may include questions answered correctly, questions answered incorrectly, questions without responses, questions with responses, and the correct answer. When reviewing a question in the submission view, check marks indicate your answers, X's indicate incorrect answers, and arrows indicate correct answers as set by the instructor. Navigate to and click Done to exit the submission view. Review quiz questions, their answers, and instructor feedback from the submission view of a quiz.